The following procedure is for replacing the communication harness on our Performance Plus under-counter refrigerators and freezers for serial numbers K72561 or newer. Be sure to wear appropriate PPE when performing this procedure. Do not use power tools of any kind. Damage to system components may occur. The tools and supplies needed for this procedure are number 2 Phillips screwdriver, wire cutter, small zip tie. Turn power switch to off position and unplug unit. If unit has a keypad option installed, unlock door first and keep ajar before removing power from unit. Remove 2 screws at top of facade. Pull top part of facade towards you and then pull up to get tabs out of their slots in the door. Be careful not to break the tabs at bottom of facade. Disconnect harness from back of controller. For units with basic controllers and keypad option installed, also disconnect wiring from keypad to keypad board mounted on door. For units with touchscreen controllers, unscrew grounding wire from door. Place facade with controller to the side. At bottom of the door, remove screw from cable retention clip on hinge side of door. Remove remaining 3 screws from bottom door cap and latch. Pull door cap off and remove ground screw from behind door cap. Pull communication harness out from bottom of door. Take cable out of retention teeth on door cap. Remove screws from kick panel. And remove kick panel. Remove grommet from harness from kick panel. Remove grounding wire from sheet metal. Cut zip tie holding harness to underside of cabinet. Remove thumb screw holding control board plate. Pull plate out carefully as there are many wires attached to control board. Disconnect harness from P10 terminal on control board. Grab new harness and reverse steps to install.